Welcome to this introduction to Amazon EventBridge, the event bus service that powers event-driven architecture on AWS EventBridge is a fundamental component for building modern, decoupled applications that respond to events in real time. Throughout this video, we'll explore what EventBridge is, how it works, and why it's essential for building scalable cloud applications. Amazon EventBridge is a serverless event bus service that acts as a central hub for routing events. Think of it as a smart router that connects different parts of your application together. It enables you to build event-driven applications by receiving events from various sources and automatically delivering them to the right destinations. The serverless nature means you don't need to manage any infrastructure, provision servers, or worry about scaling. At the heart of EventBridge is the event bus. An event bus is the central router that receives events from sources and routes them to targets based on rules you define. EventBridge provides three types of event buses. First, there's a default bus that automatically receives events from AWS services. Second, partner event buses receive events from third-party SaaS applications. And third, custom event buses allow you to create dedicated buses for your own applications and specific use cases. Let's break down the three types of event buses in more detail. The default bus is automatically created in every AWS account and receives events from AWS services like EC2, S3, and Lambda. Partner buses are used when integrating with SaaS providers like Zendesk, Datadog, or Auth0. Custom buses are created by you for routing events from your own applications, giving you complete control over event routing and organization within your architecture. The EventBridge workflow follows a simple three-step process. First, an event source emits an event. This could be an AWS service, your application, or a third-party service. Second, the event is sent to an event bus, which acts as the central routing hub. Third, EventBridge evaluates the event against rules you've defined and routes it to the appropriate targets for processing. This decoupled architecture means your event sources don't need to know anything about the targets, making your system more flexible and easier to maintain. Events in EventBridge are structured as JSON objects with a standardized format. Every event contains several key fields. The version field indicates the event format version. The ID field provides a unique identifier for each event. The source field tells you where the event originated from, such as a ws.ec2. The detail type field describes what kind of event occurred, like an EC2 instance state change notification. The detail field contains the actual event-specific data. And finally, the time field records when the event was generated. EventBridge can receive events from multiple types of sources. AWS services are the most common source, with over 90 services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and RDS automatically publishing events. SaaS partners such as Zendesk, Datadog, and Auth0 can send events directly to EventBridge through partner event buses. Your own custom applications can publish events using the Put Events API, and finally, you can create scheduled events using cron expressions or rate-based triggers to run tasks at specific times or intervals. Once EventBridge receives and matches an event, it needs to deliver it to a target for processing. Lambda functions are the most popular target, allowing you to execute serverless code in response to events. SQS queues let you queue messages for asynchronous processing. SNS topics enable you to broadcast notifications to multiple subscribers. Beyond these, EventBridge supports over 15 AWS services as targets, including step functions for orchestrating workflows, Kinesis for real-time data streaming, ECS for running containers, and many more. This flexibility allows you to build sophisticated event-driven architectures tailored to your specific needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.